Hi, my name's Ellie Hill. I'm business manager for Staples-Motley. We have an average of 50 years for age of all of our buildings, have $22 million worth of deferred maintenance needs. We have about $180,000 a year. That will not help us to solve these needs. So at this point, we had to figure out how are we going to extend the life of the buildings and set the district up for success in education. So to cover 22 million, that's like 80 years to complete those projects. And the longer we kick the can down the road, we have additional eroding of equipment and building facilities, and costs just continue to rise. So currently, to keep it tax neutral, school already has a debt service levy. And so that debt service levy is set, and that is set to expire. So when that debt falls off, we can replace that with new debt so that we can do some of these additional projects. So this is our roofs, carpet, it's flooring, it's windows, tuck pointing, as I mentioned. That's indoor air quality, fire suppression, and asbestos.
Leroy Peterson, Building Grounds Director. Problems we're having right now is our aging roofs at our high school, windows, exterior entrance doors. Basically all we can do with the money that we have left is repair, patch. The comfort of the building would be so much better if we could take care of these issues. We wouldn't have roof leaks. Our roofs at the high school right now are exceeding that 20 years. Yeah, the proposed plan would put new roofs on the building, take care of some tuck pointing, exterior doors, which is definitely needed for efficiencies of the heating system. New windows. We have taken care of some of the flooring issues that we've had in the past. There's still a lot that has to be done. I think the students are going to benefit the most out of it.